Sketchup how to change units. Okay, for example, I will create line. You can click this pencil icons and click start from this point in here. You can press escape button to close. Now, if you select this line object, it will be show units in feet and inch. You can see at this point. How to change these units? You can click window and go to models. The next, click units menu. In format in here, you can change, like I will set into decimal, and for length you can set into millimeter, so it will be automatically units change into millimeter. You also can set for feet in here, like into millimeter cubic, and again we can set in here, so it will be change units into millimeter. You also can change into other, okay, like we can change into centimeter, meter, yard, feet, or inch. This as you wish. You can choose units in here. Okay, enough today how to change SketchUp's units.